9 natural options for bad breath. Bad breath is extremely common, affecting more than 50% of the general population. While the condition isn't inherently dangerous, it's a sign that something is off balance in your body. It's often stemming from an oral source, although it can be due to a systemic problem as well. The social and psychological implications of bad breath can be severe, causing problems in your work and professional life, which is just one reason why bad breath should be addressed and not ignored. The word halitosis is derived from the Latin words halitus, which means breathed air, and osis, which refers to a diseased or abnormal state. 1. Drink more water. Many people drink far too little water throughout the day to ward off the bacteria in the mouth that are most responsible for causing bad breath. Tiny microbes in the mouth actually feed on loose food particles throughout the day, releasing odor-causing byproducts that end up stinking up breath. And all natural saliva, it turns out, is your body's built-in remedy for eliminating these bacteria. It is possible for chronic dry mouth conditions to play a part in the development of bad breath. Dry mouth is caused by the decomposition of dead cells in your mouth and on your tongue. This decomposition results in an unpleasant odor. 2. Green tea. Sipping on a cup of green tea after a meal is a simple way to freshen breath, as tea polyphenols contain disinfectant and deodorant properties. Research shows green tea significantly reduces the concentration of volatile sulfur compounds that cause bad breath immediately after being administered. Green tea worked even better than mints, chewing gum, or a parsley seed oil product for this purpose. Green tea extract and its major constituent, epigallocatechin 3-gallate, EGCG, are also known to reduce Solobacterium morae, bacteria that produce volatile sulfide compounds linked to bad breath. 3. Take probiotics. Along these same lines, poor gut health is another common cause of bad breath. If your digestive tract is overloaded with built-up toxins, for instance, or if routine antibiotic use and poor dietary habits have left your digestive system in shambles, bad breath could merely be a side effect of another underlying problem. If you suffer from certain bowel, constipation or a sluggish digestive system, you are a prime candidate for developing bad breath. The reason for this is that these conditions create an excess of gas in your body, and much of that gas exits through your mouth. Supplementing with probiotic flora or eating more probiotic-rich foods like yogurt, fermented sauerkraut and kombucha tea just might be the remedy. Taking a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar mixed with water prior to eating meals may help your digestive processes run more smoothly. 4. Include more raw foods in your diet. Eat more carrots, celery, and apples. Crunchy fruits and vegetables, preferably organic, that are rich in fiber are also beneficial in the fight against bad breath. Eating more carrots, celery, and apples, for instance, can help scrape out the plaque buildups that are responsible for causing more mild or infrequent forms of bad breath, as well as add an extra dose of immune-boosting nutrients to your diet. These foods also help trigger an increased production of bacteria-fighting saliva inside the mouth. 5. Oil pulling. Oil pulling is a traditional remedy from ancient India, which involves swishing about 1 tablespoon of oil around your mouth for a period of 20 minutes. The oil is pushed, and pulled, between the teeth as you swish it around your mouth. After 20 minutes, the oil is spit out and the mouth rinsed with water. Oil pulling is beneficial for many aspects of oral health, including not only bad breath but also preventing cavities and gingivitis and strengthening oral cavity and jaw muscles. Different types of oils can be used for oil pulling, each with unique benefits. Coconut oil. Pleasant taste and rich in lauric acid, which has antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. Olive oil. Its plant phenolic compounds, squalene, and phytosterols have antimicrobial and antioxidant properties, which may prevent oral malodor. Sesame oil. Contains sesamin, sesamolan, and sesaminol, which help to detoxify and provide antioxidant and antibiotic effects. Oil pulling worked as well as the mouthwash for reducing halitosis and associated organisms. 6. Turmeric. Turmeric, a popular curry spice revered for its active ingredient curcumin, has anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, antimicrobial, antiseptic, and liver protective properties that are valued for a number of oral health purposes, including halitosis. Massaging teeth with ground turmeric may help eliminate pain, while a paste made from 1 teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of mustard oil is useful for gingivitis. Turmeric mouthwash with peppermint oil for flavoring has also been found to work, as well as chlorhexidine mouthwash. 7. Cinnamon oil and other essential oils. Many essential oils are useful for oral health, with peppermint oil being among the most popular. However, cinnamon oil also shows promise, as it inhibits the growth of Solobacterium morae along with its hydrogen sulfide production, and reduces Solobacterium morae biofilm formation. It offers these benefits without causing any toxic effects to oral keratinocytes. If you prefer other oils, a mixture of diluted tea tree oil, peppermint oil, and lemon oil has been found to reduce bad breath in intensive care patients when used as a mouthwash. 8. Ginseng. Ginseng and its main biological constituents have been valued since ancient times for their varied medicinal properties. Certain ginsenosides have antibacterial properties that are useful for controlling bad breath. Korean red ginseng is also effective for fighting halitosis that can occur in association with Helicobacter pylori. Fighting bad breath is often best accomplished with a plan that sorts out its underlying causes, like what you're eating. Part of this plan can include remedies from nature, like those described above, that work to freshen breath naturally without the need for harsh chemical mouthwash. 9. Supplement with zinc. Another common cause of halitosis is a deficiency in the mineral zinc, which helps maintain a clean, bacteria-free mouth. Some mouthwash products actually contain zinc as an active ingredient because the mineral is a known antimicrobial, and aids in the neutralization and elimination of harmful germs. But supplementing with oral zinc and eating more zinc-rich foods like pumpkin and gourd seeds, cacao, and organ meats, for instance, might be an even better approach, as it can help address the problem systemically. If you have bad breath, a close look at your overall health, diet, and lifestyle is in order to rule out underlying conditions. It's even been hypothesized that bad breath could be a predictor of stroke, for instance. In many cases, however, natural remedies can be both practical and effective at freshening your breath.